The boy sneezed. His father was infected by him. When his father was about to sneeze, his sister decisively pressed the emergency escape button, but his mom calmly sipped her tea. The sister escaped into an underground shelter, and the sister transformed into Iron Man. At this moment, the boy was frozen with fear. His father took a deep breath, like he was building up his strength. His father stopped. Suddenly, the man exploded. Like Godzilla, he breathed fire. It was so powerful that the boy couldn't resist. And the underground shelter only shook slightly. His father finished sneezing. He left the place comfortably, and the boy fell to the ground, and his mother was still drinking her tea. Nothing could shake her.